The following is a paid advertisement for Hasbro.
Transform and roll out.
Smalls, I just got word that there's a code red.
Code red? That means the toy's in trouble.
Looks like we have a toy to save. Transform and roll out. Oh no, he's really stuck up there.
How are we gonna get him down from there?
That's a good question.
I have an idea. When I say go, you run as fast as you can and grab the monkey.
You really think I can do that?
Yeah, try your best.
Okay, I will.
On your mark, get ready, set, go!
Oh no!
Oh my word, that was terrible.
We need another plan.
How about we do a stick?
That's a good idea.
I think I saw one over there.
It's worth a try.
It's too hard for me. I'm a little too short.
You want me to try?
Yeah.
So close. Oh man, it's just out of reach. I don't know, Smalls. I can't get it. We might never be able to rescue this toy.
I wish we could transform.
Smalls, that's it. It's more than meets the eye.
What exactly do you mean?
Your Transformers rescue bots. What if we transformed an everyday tool into something that we can knock the stuffed animal out of the tree?
You're a genius.
I remember seeing a basketball when we came over here. What if we transformed that into the tool that we need?
That's the best idea I've heard all day.
All right, Smalls. So I'm gonna throw this basketball at the tree, and when it hits the monkey, it's gonna fall out of the tree, and it's your job to catch it.
I got this.
Watch this, Officer Smalls.
I got it!
We owe it to the Transformers rescue bots for giving us the idea.
Let's get back to playing.
All right, Smalls, let's put our Transformers in and see which goes farther. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! I won that one. Watch how this Transformers can transform. Now it's a car, and now look. And same with this one too. Ooh. And this one. Are you ready to race, Smalls?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. I think that's a tie. Let's do it again. And 3, 2, 1. I think you won that one.
I'm gonna store my Transformers.
Smalls, I had a ton of fun with these Transformers. Did you?
Yep.
Well, since we had a lot of fun, you know what time it is, right?
Yep. Time to transform and roll out.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!